Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Arasi Purbaingalogo. I'm from Nautical Department. I'm here to tell you about what is safety management. First, what is safety management system on ships? The safety management system is an organized system planned and implemented by the shipping companies to ensure safety to the ship and marine environment. The safety management system therefore ensures that each and every ship comply with the mandatory safety rules and regulations recommended by the IMO, classification societies, and Council Maritime Organization. What is included in the safety management system? Every safety management policy should satisfy some of the basic functional requirements to ensure safety of every ship. They are: first, procedure and guidelines to act in emergency situation. Second, safety and environmental protection policy. Third, procedure and guidelines for reporting accidents for any other form of non-conformities. Fourth, clear information and level of authority and lines of communication among ship crew members and between shore and shipboard personnel. Fifth, procedures and guidelines to ensure safe operation of ships and protection of marine environment in compliance with relevant international and flag state legislation. And the last, procedures for internal audits and management reviews. Third, vessel details. In short, a safety management system would consist of details as to how a vessel would operate on a day-to-day basis. What are the procedures to be followed in case of an emergency? How are drills and training conducted? Measures taken for safe operation, who is the design person, etc. 4. Sections. An SMS is divided into sections for easy reference. They are: general, safety, environmental policy, design person, resource and personnel, master responsibilities and authority, company responsibility and authority, operational procedures, emergency procedures, reporting of accidents, maintenance and records, documentation review and evaluation. These are the main parts of a basic SMS. However, the plan might vary according to the type of the vessel and the cargo carried by the same. Generic SMS regulatory framework. The ICO standards and recommended practice promulgated in several annexes to the Chicago Convention require the implementation of a safety management system by the following aviation service provider organization. 1. Aircraft operators. 2. Aircraft maintenance organization. 3. Air navigation service providers. 4. Airport operators. Latest amendment to ICO serves to include the requirement to implement a safety management system will be harmonized and extend to include in 2010 and 2013 respectively. 1. Training organization and aircraft manufacturers as International Civil Aviation Organization. SARPs are not directly applicable within national legislative and regulatory frameworks. States shall establish safety programs and, as part of such programs, ensure that operator service provider implement a safety management system. In Europe, the implementation of safety management system by air navigation service provider has been mandated by Eurocontrol. safety regulatory requirements, which were transposed by the European Commission into community law. Some sectors of the general aviation (GA) have also introduced SMS into their organization, but the extension of SMS principles through GA present specific problems, for which solutions have not been found. Because of the diverse relationship between the rule-making bodies and the variety of aviation service provider organizations, it is of critical importance to standardize the SMS function to the point that there is common understanding of the meaning of SMS among all concerned organizations and authorities, both domestically and internationally. In this regard, the European Aviation Safety Agency stated intention to translate the SMS-related provisions in ICAO Annex 6 and in the upcoming rulemaking proposal, as they will be similar for aircraft operators, maintenance organizations, air navigation service providers, and aerodrome operators. I think that's all for me. I'm sorry if I make many mistakes during my speech. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.